Tired of clunky interfaces and endless clicking just to get one thing done? What if your users could just ask and your product did? That's exactly what Adopt AI brings, and today I'll show you how it works. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're exploring Adopt AI, a platform that transforms your application into an intelligent, action-ready system using natural language prompts. Adopt AI provides a platform that empowers businesses to create and deploy an agentic experience for their applications, enabling users to accomplish tasks through natural language commands. The core features are Agent Builder, a no-code platform to build and deploy AI agents using natural language, and Agent Experience, an AI-powered interface that simplifies user interactions and automates key tasks within your application. To begin with Adopt AI, visit Adopt AI, explore the Agent Builder to create your AI agent using natural language, implement the agent experience into your application to enhance user interactions. That's a quick overview of Adopt AI, and this is How to Literally, and see you in the next one.